Hello everyone. Today we'll be looking into the differences between databases and message broker. So the major difference between a database and message broker is the message retaining capability. The database stores messages forever until unless a user explicitly deletes the data using some querying mechanism. Whereas in message broker, the messages are stored temporarily. Depends on the system. If you look at systems like Kafka, the messages will be retained for some days depending on the disk capacity. And the second difference is the way we access the data. We usually use queries to fetch data from a database as a client, whereas in message broker, consumers or clients need to subscribe to a topic using a regex pattern. A client can subscribe to a topic and consume all the messages. Another major difference is, imagine we have client who tried to read who fired a read query on the database. At the same time, another write happened from other client. So the updation process may not be like client one might not be aware of the updation process that has happened by client two. So a client need to keep on polling to get the updated data in database systems, whereas in message broker systems, message broker will notify the client or consumer saying it has received a message. We don't need to keep on polling the system here. Next, we are going to look at the different consumer patterns. Imagine we have message broker system, and we have multiple producers writing messages to topic, and we have multiple consumers. So we have two patterns here: load balancing pattern and fan out pattern. In load balancing pattern, the messages will be distributed between multiple consumers, whereas in fan out pattern, the same messages will be forwarded to multiple consumers. These are the primary differences between both of them. Usually we combine both of these patterns. We create multiple consumer groups, and we use fan out pattern to distribute messages to multiple consumer groups, and inside each consumer group we use load balancing pattern to distribute messages to multiple consumers.